Hi friends, what's up? Welcome to VidaPurpose. I'm Miranda, a professional dancer and nutrition coach, and today I'm gonna be making this really good green juice that I make for myself when my skin is not doing too good and I need some extra energy. Also, I'm dealing with a little bit of runny nose, so that's gonna help me detoxify my body and making me feel better and look like I'm glowing. So this juice is really easy. I actually don't have a juicer, so I make it in the NutriBullet and then I pass it through the colander. And it just takes me 6 minutes, literally. So, yeah, it's really easy. It's not for everybody. I mean, if you're not used to drinking your greens, which fair enough. If you put other fruits like apple or pineapple to make your juice a little bit sweeter, then that's fine too. Is you just giving, you know, other source of fibers into your juice, which is totally fine too. I apologize for my hair. My hair is looking crazy, but you know what? Sometimes the girls just need to be out and about, and yeah, I'm gonna style it later. It's quite early in the morning and I just wanted to share this right away. I just couldn't wait. So watch the recipe and try it out. It's gonna make you feel good. Welcome to my kitchen. We're gonna add some ice into the NutriBullet and around a cup of spinach. A couple inches of cucumber, the next ingredient is celery, which is our star ingredient of this juice. It's a great source of important antioxidants. It reduces inflammation and it supports digestion. That's why I'm going to put it in this juice, because it's going to help me reduce the excess mucus in my body. I'm adding some apple for extra flavor and sweetness. About a cup and a half of water. And finally, an inch of ginger to also help out with inflammation. Blend it all up. Et voila! Pass your smoothie through a colander. As I don't have a juicer, I just have to be patient with the process. Gently pour the magic elixir into a glass or jar. Check out that color. In the summer, I like to add a couple of ice cubes for some extra freshness. Thank you so much for watching the video. So here I'm already, you know, about to finish this. And I feel great. I already feel kind of like a tingly in my skin. And you know, comment and all of that good stuff, because you're gonna help me. Why not? Cheers. Bye.